On July 15, Dongfeng Nissan's new Kick starter model was officially launched. There are three types of starter models with official guide prices ranging from 89,800 to 103,800 yuan. In terms of appearance, Dongfeng Nissan Kicks adopts the dual V-Motion 3.0 family-style design language. The LED headlights on both sides are upgraded, the front grille is darkened, and the interior is adorned with chrome-plated horizontal bars. The lines are simple and smooth, and it's worth noting that the car has also added a new, concern-free green color for the entire range. In terms of interior, the interior of the new Kicks is not much different from the current model, adopting a 3-spoke steering wheel and equipped with an inlaid central control display. In terms of configuration, the new car adds a smart key, offers the function that supports automatic locking when leaving the vehicle and automatic unlocking when approaching. It is also equipped with functions such as LED headlights, automatic headlight on-off system, daytime running lights, and some models also have a BOSE branded sound system. In terms of power, the Kicks model is equipped with a 1.5-liter naturally aspirated engine codenamed HR15 with a maximum power of 90 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 143 Nm. The transmission system is paired with a CVT continuously variable transmission.
you.